Welcome all the viewers. I am here with Tanaka, the CEO of the Ceepo company. So all the bikes you are seeing here, we're gonna just cover the range of those bikes and also give you some tips and answer your questions about TT racing and triathlon racing. So stay tuned. So Joe, just as we are standing in front of this Ceepo Viper, our new for 2017 bike.
Yes.
Please tell us more about the features that it's packed with.
Okay. Ceepo is a triathlon specific bike, so we make different type triathlon bike depend on the course. This Viper is good for the flat course and straight, like I am a Hawaii World Championship Kona, and also this very good for aerodynamic design. First is hydration developed with profile, but this one can remove if athlete does not like to this one remove. Also bento box and the toolbox. If we have this one, we have a very good aerodynamic design.
Just behind us.
Yes, yes.
You said that there were some changes to the stem, right?
Yes, and this is a special stem for hydration. And if you don't like the hydration, you can use standard stem.
Yeah.
And without hydration.
Okay.
The weight is becoming more lighter. Yes.
So this one will be very good to sustain the speed on some flat courses, right?
Yes.
And you said also that you've got something interesting when it comes to more technically oriented courses. Is it the Katana bike?
Yes, Katana is kind of the all-round bike.
Yeah.
Sometimes the race course has a up and down, some part technical, also flat course. This is all-round. Yeah. So this one kind of I am a knees, like very uphill, and some downhill, and the final part is a straight flat. This is all-round bike.
Yeah. So definitely the design of the frame is just different than from the one we saw before. But what about the geometry? What changes in terms of the geometry of the bike?
The most important function for triathlon bike need to we can keep the speed without pushing pedal and stability, because all athletes need to keep the space from the front athlete.
Yeah.
So no need the quick response acceleration. So most important geometry, bottom bracket center to front wheel center. Longer bike is more stable and can keep speed. Example, the top tube 52, and usually road bike 56 to 58. But this one is a 61.
So it's
4 or 5 centimeters longer than road bike. So sometimes dancing, pedaling is not good. However, triathlon no need dancing. Always keep the aero position.
Yeah.
So you can keep speed without pushing pedal. It means you can keep the power for the running. Yes.
Great. What about the seat post? Are all the seat posts you have reversible?
Yes.
And why so?
Most important is triathlon need to sit down, front sitting.
Yeah.
Because we need to keep the lower position for aero bar. If we sit lower position backside, we cannot keep lower. So if we set lower aero bar position, the air resistance, we can get good number.
Yeah, better aerodynamics.
Yeah, yes. Yes.
So when would you recommend to actually reverse this one and have this offset?
So this offset is 225 millimeter. So front and back is 50 millimeter available. Also more change by saddle position.
Yeah, yeah. Would you say, Joe, that the beginning cyclist would rather like to start with the offset and have like more comfy position, or?
The riding position is very important.
Yeah.
Sometimes front seat, lowest is best. However, triathlon is very long, especially middle and long is 90 kilometer or 180 kilometer. Good aero position and comfortable is important.
Yeah.
So athlete can select the position by body
Exactly,
type, body type.
measurements. So,
every athlete different body.
It just gives us
so
wider
very,
range.
very adjustable.
Right. That's cool. But that's not the end of the Ceepo bikes range, right? We have still 3 different models here.
Yes.
Would you please introduce us to those?
Okay, this is the first model of the Ceepo UCI road bike.
Yeah.
Ceepo, in the past, Ceepo no care for the UCI because Ironman triathlon no need the UCI rule.
No.
However, now we have Olympics, sometimes elite athlete need UCI, and this is a very lightweight. The first priority, light and the stick. Also, the disc brake special.
Yeah, and through axle, right?
Yeah. So because the disc brake need through axle is the best for safety.
Stiffer.
Yeah. Yeah. And also I checked the disc brake for raining, no problem. Very good soft touch. Yeah.
Good. What would be the difference between the Stinger R and the Katana in terms of the geometry?
Okay. This is a road geometry. So already I told you the top tube 52. Here is a 57, shorter than triathlon bike.
Okay, so that's the difference.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Great. What would be the
so you can feel very good acceleration and uphill, no problem. Yeah.
And cornering as well. Right?
Yeah, corner, no problem. Yes.
Is the length of the rear triangle same?
So, rear is a little bit. This is a standard of the road bike. The triathlon bike little bit shorter because good energy transfer.
Yeah. I see.
Yes.
What would be the approximate weight of the frame itself in, let's say, medium size?
900 gram. 900.
So it's below
950 gram.
Okay. Yeah. So it's below kilo for the aerodynamic frame.
Yeah.
Great.
Because when I'm designing, sometimes I want that good aero shape frame, but good aero shape frame must be heavier. So this is not aero shape. So because the first priority, the lightweight.
Yeah. But still we have some aero.
Yes. Some part is also.
Yeah. That's cool. So that's the Stinger R, and finally we have Venom.
Yes. Venom concept is the same of the Katana, so kind of the all-round course available.
Yeah.
And this one we save the retail price lower. So the beginner athlete can buy the price, but carbon material also 70% high module carbon. So high grade carbon, but price is cheaper.
Yeah. So the frame would be maybe like 250 grams heavier than the Katana.
Yes.
Yeah. Something like that.
And also we change the carbon material, so a little bit soft.
Yeah.
Than Katana. So sometimes the small and female, like a female lightweight, the better this one.
Yeah. Great. And finally, this one up here.
This one also Stinger.
Yeah.
This is a
Stinger R.
Stinger. This is Stinger. This is a Stinger. And now we are using a standard brake, direct mount.
Yeah.
Also, disc brake is available.
Okay. Yeah. So it's disc brake ready.
Yeah, disc brake and standard brake, direct mount brake available. Yeah, both. Yeah.
That's great.
This is a price point a little bit lower than Stinger R. Stinger R is the highest grade. This is a middle range.
Yeah. So for someone to start with going against the clock, that would be a nice option, right? Yeah,
but I think that depends on the athlete target. If they want to do only triathlon, I recommend Venom, Katana, Viper. But some athletes want to use one bike for road racing, triathlon. I recommend Stinger.
Great.
Yeah.
So that's really cool. Thanks for sharing those stats with us.
Thank you very much.